This newscast is brought to you by Lavo.
Chyron has unveiled a major update for its Toolbox intuitive software application that enables producers to leverage PC and web content quickly as SDI or NDI sources in live production environments. The Toolbox 4 update modernizes the application's architecture to meet the needs of live broadcaster IT ecosystems with Windows 11 OS support, and the latest Chyron 1RU chassis hardware, and an expanded grabber content capture function, support for full HD 1080p output via SDI or NDI, and user interface improvements. Another tool for generating content, the VLC Video Player module, converts the desktop into an on-demand video clip server, with codec-agnostic playback of diverse clip media packages.
The organizers of Integrated Systems Europe have announced the opening of registration for the 2026 edition of the event, which will take place on February 3rd to 6th at the Fira de Barcelona, under the theme that invites the industry to explore every opportunity and redefine what's possible. Push beyond. ISE 2026 is expected to transform the Fira de Barcelona into the epicenter of innovation and discovery, offering attendees to experience the truly remarkable. The Push Beyond theme challenges visitors to move beyond what is familiar and ordinary to explore what was once almost unimaginable. Registration for the event is available via the QR code displayed on your screen. Halter Technical has announced WildTrax 2026, a new version of its application that gives users more power, control, and creativity. The new features include professional playback choices, live monitoring, MP3 creation, the new Toolkit panel, Tentacle sync integration, and more. The software also supports flexible licensing. Users can choose a monthly, annual, or for the first time ever, a lifetime license. WildTrax 2026 beta is available today for all current users, with the full release expected on Wednesday, November 5th.
New Delhi Television, one of India's leading news and digital journalism companies, selected Grass Valley to modernize its media asset management and enhance collaboration across its global teams. NDTV implemented Framelight X, powered by AMPPOS, to consolidate media assets, preserve metadata, and provide a unified browser-accessible platform for managing and distributing content. Recently implemented, the deployment is designed to streamline workflows and improve operational efficiency.
GoPro has released Fluid Pro AI, the company's first ever gimbal that combines video stabilization with AI-powered subject tracking. Designed to work with both phones and GoPro cameras, it automatically tracks a subject throughout a shot using an attached sensor with a built-in fill light. The gimbal is built tough to support the heavier weight of setups with lenses, filters, and camera accessories, while smoothly tilting, rolling, and panning with an impressive range of motion. An intuitive control interface and support for hand gesture operation make it simple to use. Its exceptionally long 18-hour battery life can also serve as backup power for external devices.
This newscast is brought to you by Lavo.